Yan lang.
Start of the fourth quarter. Last quarter.
Fourth quarter. Bangalisas. The bounce. Balls to Agustinian Bowlers. Pilapel. Pass to Capaluso. Back to Pilapel. Now Wood. No reason. Foul number 91. Third personal foul. Backcourt violation. Fourteen shot clock. 10 to shoot. No way. Ayan sa bola. Nakuha ni Pilapel. Tito number isa. Foul number 15. Bangalisas first foul. First team foul. 14 shot clock. Foul. Number 15. Second personal foul.
Ito na. Ay mo tong coach. Ito na ba? Dos.
One out of two. Pipito number 8. Shot clock 14, Vitaz. Malo. Rebound. Outlet pass. Ikon. Malik. And there is Nausa. Foul number 8 of Yesda. Third personal foul number 8.
Ate na.
14 shot clock. Balosa. Shot clock 10. Away. Nachowe. Shot clock 14. Ariesta. 3 points. Sa foul, number 15. Substitution, third personal foul number 15. Warning for penalty. Eight minutes. Pipito. No way. Offensive rebound. Manasara. Offensive rebound. Pipito. Drive. Offensive points.
Para move. Maybe na lang. 14 sila.
Foul. Number 7. Warning number 7 for timeout. Second team foul. 14 shot clock. And to shoot. No good. Rebound. Abinido. Caparuso. to Avenido, number 2. 7 minutes. Branzuela, no good. Rebound Avenido. A steal by Branzuela. A steal. Timeout, CCBC.
Score. Full court sila, press. Full court pa. One, two, two. Diamond press.
The pass, no good. At the pass to Barosa. Basket out number 21.
We are fun.
Third down number 21.
Million pounds.
Penalty situation.
Wala, diamond nila, diamond. Basta, dua.
Substitution.
Dua na lang, dua. 47, 49. Foul down.
Number 7, 5 fouls, number 7, Pilato. The 3-team foul. 3-team foul ba? 3-team foul. 3-team foul ba? Ang Agustinian. 3-team foul ba? Minutes shot clock there. Out of bounds.
Wallace. Wallace, 49.
Branzuela. No good. There's a whistle. Foul number 91, Barosa. Warning, 91, Barosa. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Philippine shot clock present CCBC. Hello. Pass. Barosa number 2. First ball.
Laban ang kontra.
Jumper balls to American bowlers.
51-49. Sila. Dito.
Shot clock 14. There is a foul number 91. 5 fouls number 91. 5 fouls. Penalty institution. Penalty.
Orot sila.
Penalty situation.
Ako, tuwit na tumulog ko ba? Ito
unggoy. Ano kita unggoy? Maligya.
Hindi pa nag-permit na yung gogo. Wala permit.
Kuha ka!
May pangalan mo na. Sabi na nila permit ka lang ano. Pero nagbuhay ka gogo eh. Buang eh. Kasi mag-gogo. Sabi na ako gogo.
Sabi ko shot lang din. Ayun. Rebound. Pass sa Langipan.
Malasa. Malasa! Ito, taduan nila eh.
Inabot shot clock 13. 10 shot clock. Bitas. Away. Pipito. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Wala.
Ano na ilabaw?
Ino. Traveling violation. Time out. Agustinian Ballers 3 minutes 24.
Daddy. 51, 57. Three minutes.
Outlet pass to the Cavs. And there is a whistle. There's a whistle. Foul number 8. Pipito. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Kita, makuha na ini.
Wala na ref shake.
One and two Gitas.
Sino mo nung mata?
3 minutes.
Ano ba din na nagbuhay ka gogo eh.
Shot clock 14. 10 shot clock. Nato. And there is a foul. Number 26. Substitution. Second foul, number 26. Penalty.
$58, $52.
Complete.
59,
52.
59, 52.
Langipan jumper. Lalu. Eight seconds violation.
Wagatan na ako. 9 seconds yata eh.
14 shot clock. 14.
16 ra, 16.
Nato. Rebound Caparuso. Last 2 minutes. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Shot clock 6. Enough number 26. Not good. Hasta kumahog. Una 30, shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Shot clock 5, no good. Una 15. Pasa Chambre. Barcelona, no good. 1 minute and 5. Foul. Penalty. Foul number 26. Third personal foul number 26.
Pensar sa kayo naroon. Bako ba yung oras eh? Pensar kayo.
One minute. Enough. No good. Abang sa bola. There's a whistle. Foul already. Foul already. Foul number 10. No pass. Substitution. Penalty situation. Penalty. Sabza. Hugalbot for ikot.
Gamay ra kayo na eh. Gatay masyado na eh. City. Kung masyado na yan doon, ay isang 3, patay nila.
Cinquenta segundos. Foul number 26. Warning for foul out number 26.
Kira ko kita niya gikapoy yan.
Huwag mo kayo na murag nag-junlig na. Pero hindi siya bayad kami.
Patay sila doon.
25. Vidal. Number 26. There's a whistle. Probably violation. Substitution.
Ako ba kayo oras oh? 39 seconds.
30 segundos. Sab, gawas. 46, gawas. 46, gawas. Foul number 8. Warning number 8 for foul out. By 5. By 5, shot clock 14. 10 shot clock. 5 to shoot. 15 segundos. 12 segundos. 12. Time out. CCBC. 12 segundos.
Score 60-54. Last 12 seconds. 60-54.
No more shot clock. Jays. 5. Congratulations, Agustinian Bullers, for winning this game. Final score 60 against 54. Shake hands.